Oh, guys, I love when we get close to Mo-Kan. You start seeing trucks with trailers with race cars on them and stuff. Got a El Camino in front of us on some slicks. Gonna be a good day. Hi.
Are you recording me?
I am.
Aw.
Right?
You wanna race it?
I am.
All right, $20, Disney.
I'm so excited. It's going to be so much fun.
You go have a great time.
Hey, see you later. Thank you. All right, here we go. Jonathan, give me the updates I should do. Tell me when to leave. Here we go. Oh, we should have left earlier. I was watching the comments. Woohoo! 40, 50. Here we go. We're staying in it all the way. Woo! 73. 87 miles an hour. Too much fun. 16.3. Look at that. Boom. Look at the sleep on the tree. A 9:53 reaction time. Pathetic. All right, time to start pulling some weight. All right, guys, using the bathroom scale at home will get us pretty close. So we dropped a total of 130 pounds. So we're gonna see if that equates to a better time. All right, guys, so we dropped 130 pounds that time. We gained half a tenth, but ran the exact same mile per hour. Now it's time to get serious. All right, guys, let's see how that does. We just dropped 100 pounds. I was gonna pull the air filter, but it's got too much junk in there, and it wouldn't run after I pulled the cap off. So, all right, guys, last pass of the day. I'm glad they're gonna let him go. Too much fun. Him lead us in here so he can do what he wants. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. He gone. All right, as a reminder, we have no seats in here. It's a little louder than normal. I'm gonna stay buried in it all the way. Woo! Boom! All right, hey, we showed 87 again that time. So let's see what the old thing says. I bet it ran the same damn time as it did last time. All right, guys, I'm about to pull in the house here in Bentonville, and just want to say thanks for watching today. Make sure you subscribe, because this car is being given away to a follower. Now, here's the thing. Subscribe here to keep up with all the stuff, all the updates, everything like that that we have for the Narcs Kart. And then follow us on Instagram. I'll put the name right down here and a link in the comments, because that's how we're going to choose, because Instagram can give us all of our numbers. Here's the deal. We're giving the car away when we hit 1 million video views. Not 1 million followers, not 1 million subscribers, not 1 million anything like that. 1 million video views. So jump on there right now. I want to say thanks a bunch making it this long in the video, and the next one's going to be fun. I'm fixing to pull the doors off when I get to the house, and Wednesday night we are cutting the roof off of this thing. So enjoy.